Hello guys, I'm Crypto Mechanic and it's glad to have you guys back right here on my channel. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about two crypto airdrop which you can actually earn using just one single application. So this is like mining, unlike tapping. This airdrop doesn't consent Telegram, so this is a separate airdrop which is very legit, and it also came from a very nice source which has been satisfied and trusted by millions of people around the world. So right now, pay close attention to this video and do not skip any part of it. Make sure you watch it to the end so that you get to learn all the simple procedures, as I'm going to be dissecting it right here on this video for you to take and also get to position yourself to actually earn from this simple airdrop which we all have been participating on. So right now guys, if you are viewing our video for the first time, or if this is your first time on this channel, I welcome you, and having you right here is the best thing that ever happened to me, and I really appreciate that. So before I proceed fully with the video, I would like to introduce you guys to our free BNB giveaway which we have been doing. So if you really want to participate on it, you can simply participate on this by just leaving your comments below the video you are watching right now, telling me what you think, and also don't forget to subscribe and also turn the notification bell on to fully qualify for the free BNB giveaway that we actually give to our viewers around the world. So right now, pay close attention to the video. Let's dive in right now and get to learn how we can actually get to participate and also qualify for this airdrop which is actually going to be ending on September 2024. So right now, let's get it right now. Okay guys, so moving forward right here, you can see right here I'm on Twitter right now. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about right here concerning the two airdrops I'm talking about. So this airdrop is actually an airdrop which we can actually earn from the Satoshi app. So right now, let me show you guys something right now. When I go to the search bar right here, then I have to search for the Satoshi app right here. So this is it. So when you look right here, you can see this is the actual Satoshi app that we are talking about right here. You can see over here, when you look down here, you can see that they have about 434,000 followers right here. And when you look at their followers, you can see that they are being followed by a lot of trusted handles right here. Like you can see Core Keeper, you can see Core itself is being has been following them, and a whole lot of other people have been following them. This is where they actually get announced it right here. So when you look down here, you can see we have something like the H1 airdrop by Haven 1 official is now live on Satoshi app. So this simply means that you need a Satoshi app for you to be able to participate on this airdrop. So right now, the question that comes to your mind is what is the what is Haven, or what is H1? Okay, so when you look down here, let me now read this up right now real quick. So you can see Haven 1 is the erect resistance EVM layer 1 blockchain meticulously designed to prevent on-chain scams, hacks, and rug pulls, allowing trusted users and builders to interact in Web3 with complete peace of mind. All right, so right now guys, you can see they say right here, don't miss out your chance to grab a share of 12 million H1 token. Get your token to the safe haven. Okay, so when you look down here, you can see they gave the deadline for this airdrop, which is the airdrop mining is actually going to be ending on September 28, 2024, and I'm actually making this video on the 20th of August 2024. So right now, this is the first airdrop that we are talking about, so I'm gonna be teaching you how to mine it. Let me now show you guys the second airdrop that I'm talking about right here real quick. So when I scroll down, so coming down right here, you can see we have the second one right here, which is, you can see they say the CTO airdrop by Core CTO is now live on Satoshi app. So this is the second airdrop I'm talking about. So right now, let me now show you guys the details right here. So when you look over here, you can see this airdrop is actually going to be ending on the September 11, while the first one that I showed you earlier is actually going to be ending on the 28th of September. So you still have a lot of time to mine this airdrop and mine as much as possible. So if you want to be giving this a try, I'll be leaving the link on the video description. Make sure you check out the link on the video description to get started and also get to benefit from this airdrop right here. So right now, to get started, right now that we have talked about this airdrop and how they actually came about, let me now teach you guys what to do for you to actually get to mine these airdrop tokens and get to withdraw it successfully. All right, now pay close attention. I'm going to be explaining everything to you in details, and also how you can be able to maximize your earning on this airdrop that we are earning from this Satoshi app right now. So right now, pay close attention. So the first thing, when I come over here to project first, let me show you a list of projects that are actually launched right here on the Satoshi app. So when you scroll down, you can see we have a lot of projects that we are launched right here on the Satoshi app. OpenX, we mine this, but right now you can see the mining for OpenX has actually concluded. The same thing goes with BWB points, and the same thing goes with Glimpse Exchange. We mined it. The same thing goes with Coland we mined it, is now closed. So right now you have the opportunity to mine core TDO, and you also have the opportunity to mine Haven 1 token. So right now let me show you guys some little detail that you need to take care of right here. So when you look over here right now from the core TDO right here, you can see that this mining actually right here is actually coming to an end. When you look down here, you can see that we have actually mined 64.46% of K to the airdrop of K to the token allocated to Satoshi miners. And you can see once it gets to 100%, it means that the mining has concluded. And after when the mining is concluded, a whole lot of works comes after that, which is just to submit your wallet and you are okay. So when you look over here to have one airdrop or having one airdrop, you can see over here that we have already mined about 18% of having one airdrop. So you still have a lot of good chances of earning this having one airdrop. So when you look over here, you can see this is the estimated start time. So this is actually when the airdrop started. And right now let me show you guys some more things concerning this airdrop right here. So when you click over here to this arrow right here, so when you click on it, this is going to be showing you some information concerning this airdrop. So when you look down here, you can see that this airdrop is actually going to be ending on the 28th of September 2024, just like I said earlier. So the same thing goes with other with the second airdrop that I'm talking about right here on this video. So right now let's go back like this. So over here, guys, we are going to be learning how you can be able to participate and get to mine core TDO airdrop and also have one airdrop. Okay, so right now pay close attention. Once you have found yourself on this app using the link on the video description, the first thing you need to do is to simply come over here to project. So when you come over here to project, you are going to be seeing this search bar right here at the top. So when you click over here on the search bar, you get to search for the name of the project that you want to mine. Or to make it even more simple, you just go ahead and write the short name of the token that you want to search for. You can see I just wrote CTO, which is the core TDO. So right now I will click on search, and once you search for it, it's going to be opening up the coin you want to mine immediately. All right, so this is in case you come into this app and come to project but doesn't find this particular token that I'm actually talking about. So right now let's go back right now. So this is core TDO. You click on it. Once you click on it, then you are going to be asked, what's going to be showing right here is participate on airdrop. So once you click on participate on airdrop, you are going to be among the people that are mining this core TDO airdrop. So the same thing is applicable to H1 airdrop right here. So if you want to search for it, what you got to do is simply come over here to the search bar, then you click on just type in H1 like this, then you go ahead and search for it. Then this is going to be coming up immediately. Once you click on it, then you are going to be seeing participate on airdrop instead of exit airdrop. So the reason why I'm seeing exit airdrop is because I've actually started participating on this already. So right now you click on participate on airdrop, then you are going to be participating on this airdrop, as simple as that. So right now guys, let me bust your board right now concerning the Satoshi app and how strong it is. So when you click over here right here, you can see I've already mined about 17,000 CTO token right here and about 6.7 H1 token right here. So when we click over here on me and you go ahead and click over here on this arrow right here, you can see these are the list of coins that I have actually mined from this particular app right here. It doesn't end there. Make sure you stay tuned and stay sharp on my channel, because I'll be showing you guys what you need to do when the airdrop ends, and I'll be keeping you guys posted as soon as any update concerning this Satoshi app comes up. All right, so we also talk about a whole lot of airdrops. So over here we have our Telegram channel right here. This is where we actually give you guys information about any airdrop that's still ongoing, so you can actually join us right here using the link on the video description below. So thank you guys for watching the video till the end, and I believe you got a value out of it. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you turn the notification bell on so you don't get to miss out on any important update that you need to take care of before it is actually late. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I really appreciate that. Thank you, and I will see you guys on my next video that's open soon. Salute.